This is Affordable Quality Automotive. Personally, thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. This is a part of a 4-part series. This is video 1, and in this particular video, we'll be going over tire and load information label. On this label, you'll find very important information. We open up your driver's side door. Within the door panel, there's 2 labels. This is the one in particular that I would like to go over, and it's tire and loading information. On this, you can find your PSI ratings if you have a flat tire or you want to pressurize your tire to manufacturer specifications. This is the label to find it on. You also can find your tire size. Tire size for this particular vehicle is 205 65 R16 95H. The front 2 tire PSI manufacturer rating is 33 PSI. The rear 2 tires are 32 PSI. You also have a spare. It's rated at 60 PSI, and it is also a T13590 D16 102M. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out in our live or post it in the comments, and I'll respond. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.